Okay, now I would like to explain about the transient response of series RLC circuit with sinusoidal excitation by using differential equation method. Okay, consider a series RLC circuit as shown in figure. Okay, this is series RLC circuit. Resistor, inductor, capacitor connected in series connection and sinusoidal excitation. Here input is sinusoidal and its equation V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. Input AC supply. So assume the switch is closed at t equals to 0. Here switch closed at t equals to 0. So before 0 switch position open position, after 0 switch position closed position. So next we have to write the current expression I of t from t equals to 0 to infinity. So apply KVL to loop at t equals to 0 plus switch position closed position and apply KVL. So equation R into I plus L into di by dt plus 1 by C integral I into dt equals to V. V equals to Vm sin omega t plus pi. So next to differentiate the above equation with respect to t. So next equation R into di by dt plus L into d square I by dt square plus 1 by C into I equals to Vm. The differentiation of sin equals to cos omega t plus pi into omega, or it equals to d square I by dt square plus r by L di by dt plus 1 by L C into I equals to omega into Vm by L cos omega t plus pi. Okay, let this is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. So next to Pi of this equation, this is second order differential equation. So Pi of this equation equals to Ip a into cos omega t plus pi plus b into sin omega t plus pi. Okay, it is equation number A. Differentiate the above expression with respect to t. So next to dip by dt equals to minus a into omega sin omega t plus pi plus b into omega cos omega t plus pi. Okay, equation B. So again differentiate the above expression with respect to t. So find d square I by dt square. It equals to minus a omega square sin differentiation cos omega t plus pi minus b omega square sin omega t plus pi. Okay, here d square I by dt square di by dt I is there. So that's why find I di by dt and d square I by dt square. So now substitute A, B, C equations in equation 2. Okay, substitute A, B, C in equation 2. So equation 2 becomes, so first to d square I by dt square. Okay, this is d square I by dt square expression plus r by L into di by dt plus 1 by LC into I equals to omega into Vm by L cos omega t plus pi. Okay, just to substitute A, B, C, d square I by dt square, di by dt and I expressions in equation 2. So we get this equation. So next comparing the sign terms on both sides. So next equation, okay, compare sign terms. So minus b omega square minus a into r omega by L plus b by LC equals to 0, or a into omega r by L plus b into omega square minus 1 by LC equals to 0. Okay, let it equation number 3. So next by comparing cosine terms on both sides. In this equation compare cosine terms on both sides. Okay, we get minus a omega square plus b omega r by L plus a by LC equals to omega Vm by L. So from this equation we can write a into minus omega square plus 1 by LC plus b into omega r by L equals to omega into Vm by L. Let it equation number 4. So next from equation 3 we can write a equals to minus b omega square minus 1 by LC by omega r by L, or it equals to b into 1 by LC minus omega square by omega r by L. Equation number 5. So now substitute equation number 5 in equation 4. Okay, substitute a equation in equation 4. So the equation becomes b into 1 by LC minus omega square by omega r by L into 1 by LC minus omega square plus b into omega r by L equals to omega Vm by L. Just to substitute in place of a this expression in equation 4. We get this equation. From this equation we can find b expression. So b equals to Vm omega square into r by L square divided by 1 by LC minus omega square plus omega square into r square by L square. Okay, this is b expression. So now to find a expression, substitute b in equation 5. Okay, substitute here b expression to find a. So finally a equals to Vm into omega 1 by LC minus omega square by L into 1 by LC minus omega square plus omega square into r square by L square. Okay, next to substitute A and B in equation A. So equation A, I expression. Okay, this is equation A. So to find Pi of this expression, Pi of the current, substitute A comma B in equation A. The equation A into cos omega t plus pi plus B into sin omega t plus pi. Okay, already we find A comma B and assume A equals to m into sin theta and B equals to m into cos theta. Tan theta equals to m into sin theta by m into cos theta. It equals to Vm into omega by L 1 by LC minus omega square by Vm into omega square into r by L square, or it equals to L by omega r 1 by LC minus omega square minus equals to 1 by r into 1 by omega c minus omega L. Okay, just here cancel, Vm cancel, L square by L, we get L. So omega square, here omega square is there, here omega is there. So denominator omega into r 1 by LC minus omega square. So finally 1 by r into 1 by omega c minus omega L. So theta equals to tan inverse of 1 by r into 1 by omega c minus omega L. Okay, Ip equals to A equals to m into sin theta cos omega t plus pi plus m into cos theta sin omega t plus pi. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A plus B formula. So m into sin omega t plus pi plus theta. Okay, m equals to root of m square cos square theta plus m square sin square theta. So finally we can write m equals to Vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c minus omega L whole square. So the solution Ip, just write m expression here. So Ip equals to this equation Pi of I of t. So next find complementary function. So complementary function. So by using characteristic equation we can find the complementary function. Here this is the characteristic equation, d square plus r by L into d plus 1 by LC equals to 0. Okay, equation number 2. Already we write equation number 2. So from equation 2 we can write characteristic equation. This is the characteristic equation, it equals to 0. If roots are real and unequal, r by 2L whole square greater than 1 by LC, the response is over damped response. So in that case I of t equals to e power alpha t into C1 into e power beta 2 plus C2 into e power minus beta t. This total expression Pi of the solution. So next second case, if the roots of the characteristic equation are complex conjugate, if r by 2L whole square less than 1 by LC, the roots are complex conjugate. In that case the response is called under damped response. Under damped response solution I of t equals to e power alpha t C1 into cos beta t plus Ct into sin beta t plus Pi. This is total Pi expression. So if roots are real and equal, if r by 2L whole square equals to 1 by LC, then roots are real and unequal. In that case the response is called critically damped response. In critically damped response case, the Cf equals to e power alpha t into C1 plus C2t. This is Pi. Here alpha comma beta are the roots of the characteristic equation. Okay, this is the characteristic equation. Okay, characteristic equation. So by using minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, find roots. Here roots are alpha comma beta, alpha plus or minus beta. If r by 2L whole square greater than 1 by LC, in that case roots are real and unequal. So solution CF of the CF in that case is this one. This is CF. Okay, next this is Pi. So second case r by 2L whole square less than 1 by LC, roots are complex conjugate. So roots are alpha plus or minus j beta. In that case this is the formula solution. So if roots are real and equal, so in that case solution e power alpha t into C1 plus C2t. Okay, here let A equals to m into sin theta and B equals to m into cos theta. So we can find m. So by using this relation, so m equals to Okay, m equals to square root of m into sin theta equals to a, m into cos theta equals to b. So root of a square plus b square or root of b square plus a square equals to m. So m equals to vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c minus omega l whole square. In a expression remaining is sin theta, in b expression remaining term is cos theta. Okay, this is a expression. Okay, this is m expression. So your assumption a equals to m into sin theta and b equals to m into cos theta. So finally by using this relation we can find the m expression. So m equals to vm by root of r square plus 1 by omega c minus omega l whole square.